Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing sweet potato upma, which can be had as a filling low carb meal for breakfast or lunch. This upma is a great option if you're reducing rice and wheat from your diet. Sweet potatoes, besides being rich in fiber and nutrient dense, has many important vitamins and minerals. Sweet potatoes are also loaded with antioxidants. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamin A, and that means a medium-sized sweet potato has about 400% of the daily vitamin A requirement. Vitamin A, in addition to boosting immunity, is also integral in maintaining healthy vision. The fiber in them keeps you feeling fuller for a longer time, and thus it also helps in weight loss. So let's get started with the recipe. To make sweet potato upma, I have 2 medium-sized boiled sweet potato, and now I'm going to remove the skin. Now this is a great way to use leftover sweet potatoes. I had boiled these sweet potatoes a day before, and I had kept the sweet potatoes in the fridge. Now I'm just going to cut this into bite-sized small pieces. Heat a kadai or a pan with 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, add in half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon jeera, 2 whole red chilies which I am breaking into 2, 1/4 inch ginger, 2 green chilies chopped, 1 medium-sized onion chopped. Now give this all a mix. Add in 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1 sprig of curry leaves. I'm just stirring it into smaller pieces so that the flavor is released out. Now give this all a mix. Now the onion has started to turn light golden brown. So now I'm going to turn the heat to the lowest and then add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Again give it a mix. And then add in the chopped sweet potatoes. Toast or mix it very well. Once the potatoes are nicely coated with the masala, I'm adding in grated coconut. So I added 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. Turn off the heat and toss it one more time. Once everything is nicely mixed, transfer it to a serving plate, and my quick and easy sweet potato upma is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, make sure you give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.